Hi everyone! I'm going to be showing you how to make a paracord bracelet from the bracelet kits that I've put together. Inside the kit you will find the paracord like this and a set of instructions that you can follow along with step by step as you watch this video. They are very easy to make. So first you want to set your paracord with the fork end of the buckle positioned on top and the flat end positioned on the bottom. You can see that there is a curve in the fork end and you want that curve to be facing towards you during the whole process. You also want to make sure that the two center strands do not twist at all as you're creating the knots. So for your first step, you're going to take the left strand, fold it across the two center strands, then take the right strand and fold that one over the left strand. The two center strands will be on the bottom, the left strand will be in the middle, and the right strand will be on top. Then fold the right strand under all of those strands and up through the left loop that you have created. Pull tightly on both strands to secure the second knot under the first one that has already been made for you. Now for the other side, you're going to cross the right strand over the two center strands, cross the left one over, and then put the left one under all of the strands and up through the right loop. Pull tightly on both strands to secure the third knot. Then you're going to repeat this process left, right, left, right, left, right. So as you make these knots, they will fill up all the way to the bottom of the second half of the buckle. But you want to push up on the knots to make more room so you can tie more. So when you're finished, it will look something like this. And all the knots are evenly tied. So you want to make sure that they are even throughout the whole bracelet. You can see that there's extra paracord at the ends, so do not cut those off at all. Just leave those like that, and then you just put it back in the bag and return it. Thank you.